Ever wondered where your money goes when you invest with Raiz? It's not just a black box, folks. Let's dive deep and uncover the secrets of Raiz investment strategy. Raiz is a popular investment platform that allows you to invest small amounts regularly. But what exactly does it invest in? Well, it's a bit like a diversified buffet, offering a taste of various asset classes. Core investment. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs. These are investment funds that trade on stock exchanges, just like individual stocks. Raiz primarily invests in ETFs to gain exposure to a wide range of assets, including shares, a piece of ownership in a company; bonds, essentially loans to governments or corporations; property, real estate investments, often through property ETFs; commodities, raw materials like gold, oil, and agricultural products. Why ETFs? ETFs offer several advantages. Diversification. By investing in ETFs, you're spreading your risk across a wide range of assets. This reduces the impact of any single investment's performance on your overall portfolio. Low costs. ETFs generally have lower fees compared to traditional managed funds. Liquidity. ETFs can be easily bought and sold on stock exchanges, providing flexibility. Professional management. ETF managers are experienced professionals who select and manage the underlying assets. Raiz investment strategy. Raiz employs a passive investment strategy, which means they aim to track the performance of specific market indices. This approach is designed to minimize costs and maximize returns over the long term. How does Raiz select ETFs? Raiz carefully selects ETFs based on factors such as low fees, to maximize your returns; strong performance, the ETF's historical performance and its potential for future growth; diversification, the ETF's exposure to various asset classes; currency hedging, to mitigate the impact of currency fluctuations; risk management. While investing in ETFs offers diversification benefits, it's important to understand that investing always carries some level of risk. Raiz aims to manage risk through careful portfolio construction and diversification. A word on fees. Raiz charges a management fee, which is a small percentage of your investment balance. It's essential to consider these fees when evaluating your overall investment costs. The power of time and compound interest. One of the most powerful tools in investing is time. By investing regularly, even small amounts, you can harness the power of compound interest. Over time, your investments can grow significantly. So, what does Raiz invest in? In essence, Raiz invests in a diversified portfolio of ETFs, giving you exposure to a wide range of asset classes. By understanding the underlying investments and the strategy behind them, you can make informed decisions about your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.